guys, so today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make very nice slime. Sorry if you can't see it, but this is not the exact slime I'm going to teach you how to make. I'm just going to teach you how to make nice, soft, kind of jiggly, stretchy slime. For this, you're going to need glue. I'm using tacky glue. Water. This looks like clear glue, but there's just nice fresh water in it. I'm going to use some sweet pea body lotion. Coloring. This is optional. I'm going to use some lotion with aloe in it, and then you need activator. I'm using liquid starch, so let's just get to it. First thing I'm going to do is just pour in my glue. Sorry, this is going to take one moment. This just makes the process fast. So I don't know if you can see, but like it just wet out a lot of glue right there. And then you're going to add your water. There's no measurements to this at all. There's no measurements. And now you're gonna mix it. The Tactical BTW is very thick, so I'm just warming it up. And let me just show you how this looks right now. This all looks very gross, just in case. I'm sorry if you can't see this, I don't want it to leak. But just keep on mixing. And now it looks very good. Let's show you how it looks like. Now with the water in it. Water. And now you're going to pour in lotion, body lotion. And this is pink, so yeah. Then I'm going to pour in my lotion. I'm going to pour in 3 squirts. 4 actually, because it just all really depends on how much glue you put in. Then you're gonna just mix this all in. This is how it looks now with body lotion and all that stuff mixed in. That's all of that. And then you're gonna just add in your color. This thing can't stand on its own, so I just take off the glue, make it stay like that. The color, and this is from Dollar Tree, and this works so good. Like, you don't even know. I'm only doing yellow because that's the only color. This is how it looks like with yellow. So it looks like yellow. And you're gonna wipe that. Then you're going to be adding in your liquid starch. And every slime person says this. Just going to add little by little. I'm going to add a lot at first so I don't have to do it one more time. So I don't have to do it again. Put the top back on, and just in case it falls, it doesn't go everywhere like last time. And then I'm going to mix. Okay. So this is how it looks like after I mixed it. It doesn't look so good, so just wait. Just wait. This is why this comes in handy. I'm gonna do, I think 3 or 2 squirts. I'm just gonna try 2 for now. Squirt. This is how it looks like with one more squirt. It looks like freaking eggs. It's not eggs. Sorry for that noise. And when it's better and starts to act like it's better, Agapac, I'm gonna play with it now. As you can see, it's very, very weird, and it does feel very weird too. And then we'll play with it like this. Deciding it's the best way to play with slime. Throwing it. It's also kind of like, I don't know. As you can see, it's very bad, right? Very, very bad. keep on playing with it. As you can see, as I stretch it, it's starting to get better. But it's still very hard, right? Very weird. I can fix that. I'm gonna add in, I don't really know how many pumps I have for this lotion, and then mix that in, and just keep on adding more of this lotion, like the exact one. You can't use another one unless there's aloe oil, I don't know. So, keep on adding it until it's better. This is how it looks like after that one pump. That's how it looks like. And I told you that it would get better, and it's very stretchy. There's no stretching if it's close enough. Bulky and very good. So that's how you make jiggly smooth slime. It's not butter slime, but if you want to know how to make butter slime, just comment down below, and I have a bunch. So yeah, that's how you make soft, clicky slime.